Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Seomi, our SEO specialist in Sintra. In order to do so, here we are at app.sintra.ai and we're all logged in. And if you're on the homepage, then you will see our different AI employees that we have access to. And here we find Seomi, our SEO specialist. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see this page here. This is similar to all of our AI employees, and we can start off our conversation by selecting one of these options here. And it's always a good way to select one of these options to get a conversation going, and then you can always refine the conversation from there. But here we can see that we have the option to optimize our YouTube video SEO. So we can click on that, and you can see here that that's going to bring that question down here, and then we can click on send, and then Seomi is going to think about that question and come up with an answer. We also have improve website traffic strategies and conduct keyword analysis for content. So any of these that we select, Seomi is going to provide a helpful answer for that. So in this case, let's go ahead and find out how we can optimize our YouTube video SEO. We'll go ahead and hit send. And Seomi is now hard at work answering our question. And you can see that we're now getting a response. And she's even searching the web. And here it says, let me help you optimize your YouTube channel's SEO strategy, especially for your AI tool-focused content. I noticed from your context that you're creating valuable content about various AI tools like Grok 3, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek. Let me provide a comprehensive SEO strategy specifically tailored for your channel. First, let me search for current YouTube SEO best practices to ensure we're following the latest trends. Based on the latest 2025 YouTube SEO practices and your channel's focus on AI tool tutorials, here's a comprehensive strategy to enhance your visibility and engagement. So this gives you an idea of how you can use Seomi for your own business. So whatever it is that you might be doing, if you want to optimize your YouTube channel's SEO strategy, then you can use Seomi to do that. And here we can see that she's provided a variety of helpful strategies for us to take a look at. We've got title optimization, description optimization, tag strategy, thumbnail optimization, content structure, engagement optimization, playlist organization, and technical optimization. And under each of these categories, we have some very helpful suggestions. Then from there, Seomi asks, would you like me to elaborate on any of these points or provide specific keyword suggestions for your AI tool tutorials? Also, I notice you're creating about 10 videos per day. Would you like specific strategies for maintaining SEO quality at that production volume? And that is a great place to continue our conversation. I mean, you can really go through the response and copy and paste, I think, whatever you are interested in, wherever it is that you're interested in carrying on the conversation. So for me, I would say, I notice you're creating about 10 videos per day. Would you like specific strategies for maintaining SEO quality? Let's go ahead and we're going to copy that, and we're going to paste that here down at the bottom. And I'm also going to add some quotation marks, and I'm going to say yes. Yeah, we could just say yes. And so that way we're at least giving some distinction between what Seomi just said and the answer to that question. Now, you don't necessarily need to do all of this. If you wanted to just copy and paste what she says and then just say yes, there's a good chance that you're going to get the response you're looking for. But I like to format my responses as cleanly as possible because sometimes the AI can get confused. So it's a good idea to follow certain best practices so that you are getting the response that you're looking for the first try. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and hit send. And here Xiaomi is now thinking about that and is saving this to Brain AI. And that's one of the nice things about Sintra is that certain questions, queries, comments, observations that you make, Sintra is going to take note of that. And if it's pertinent, then it's going to save that to the Brain AI. And that way you are really getting those tailored responses, which is really powerful. So here, Xiaomi has responded, let me provide specific strategies for maintaining high SEO quality while managing your impressive output of 10 videos per day. Thank you. I'll tailor this specifically for your AI tool tutorial content. Here's a streamlined SEO strategy to maintain quality while handling your high volume content production. And she's provided a few very helpful suggestions here. We've got template-based optimization system, batch processing strategy, quick reference SEO checklists, content calendar organization, automation tools implementation, and quality control system, content distribution strategy, time saving tips. So all of this is really good information, and I'm going to spend some more time taking a closer look at this. But again, this is a way for you to have an idea of how you can take advantage of the many wonderful AI employees that you have with Sintra, and Xiaomi can really help you out with your SEO as your SEO specialist. Let's go ahead and take a look here now. On the left-hand side in this menu, let's take a closer look at some of the options here. So first of all, we have our settings cog here. If we click on that, then you're going to see that we have a few different options. And right now, Xiaomi is set to casual. And what I want to do, I think, is I'm going to go ahead and set the language to expert. So this is just going to change somewhat how it is that they respond to you. Here we also have message length, short, medium, or long. If you want to keep those responses shorter or longer, then you can do that. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and go with long because I want to try to get as much information from my SEO specialist as possible. And here is another couple of options here. We have traits, always search Google. So if you always want your employee Xiaomi here to be searching Google when answering certain questions, then you can toggle that on and off there. And you can even toggle on copy my writing style. So if you want Xiaomi to try to copy your writing style, then you can toggle that. You can see here, we could toggle these on and off. I'm going to go ahead and select always search Google. Why not? And we can also specify here custom instructions. So this is really powerful because if there's anything that at any time you just want to make sure that the AI employee is aware of so that you're getting more tailored responses, this is where you can add custom instructions. So that's very, very powerful. Let's go ahead and head back to our power-ups. So you can either click right here or we can also click over here. If we click over here, this is going to bring us to a main page where we can see the power-ups that we have for each of our AI employees. So we have Xiaomi here further down. There she is. And we have the SEO blog writer, write engaging blog posts for your website. And we also have the SEO auditor, audit your website for SEO ranking. Let's go ahead and select SEO blog writer. And that's going to bring us to this page here. And you can see here, write engaging blog posts for your website. So if we want help in doing something like that, let's go ahead and keyword, we're going to say tools, and we're going to write a post about the tools available in 2025. And we're going to click generate on that. And Xiaomi is now working on our blog post, and it's going to be about the AI tools that are available in 2025. Now, I might have been able to be a little bit more specific there, but I did say AI tools here in our keyword, and then under custom instructions, write a post about tools available in 2025. So here we go. Beautiful. So Xiaomi is now generating that, and we'll just let her finish that up. Okay. And this is great. So, this is a nice, tight little blog post. Not a lot to it, but here we go. Unlocking the future, exploring the AI tools of 2025, SEO meta description, dive into the world of AI tools in 2025, discover how these cutting edge technologies are transforming industries and empowering individuals with unprecedented capabilities like Sintra is doing. And by the way, if you are interested in Sintra and you think that this is going to work for you, I would highly recommend it. And we also have put a link in the description. So if you click on that, then you can gain access to Sintra, and you would also be helping the channel, and we would certainly appreciate that. So here we could see that Xiaomi has generated a lovely blog post, and we can post that in whatever place we may want. There's a button here at the bottom for improving. So if there's something here that we feel like, this could be a little bit better, then we can click on that. And we even have an edit tool here as well. Let's go ahead and click on the edit tool. And there you go. So if there's any information in here that you think needs to be edited, then you can do that. So that's very, very powerful. Let's go ahead and head back, and let's check out the SEO auditor. So here we can audit our website for SEO ranking. So what we can do is we can enter in our website for Skillcraft, and under here we have our custom instructions, of course. So let's go ahead and just do that really quick, and let's go and find Skillcraft. Let's see here. Easiest thing to do. Let's just go ahead and search up here. Taking a moment. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like we got to add in that AI there. Just bear with me here. Okay, perfect. So we found our site here, and now what we can do is we can copy that and bring that back into our SEO auditor, and we can hit generate. If we wanted to enter in some custom instructions, we could. But now Xiaomi is hard at work in auditing our SEO. And this is just really helpful information. Just if you want some peace of mind, if you're just looking for some perspective, that is where Sintra is just such an amazing tool for being able to brainstorm and consider things that maybe hasn't occurred to you, things that haven't occurred to you yet. So being able to have something like that, being able to have essentially like a personal assistant, in this case with multiple personalities that have these really important focuses, then you can get some really important data for making sure that whatever your platform is, whatever your business is, you are getting the best information possible. So this is just taking a little bit of a moment here, and there we go. And so, wow, look at that. So now we have all of these amazing recommendations, and you can look through this at your leisure. If you have a subscription with Sintra, and you can go through and you can really dial into what you can do to improve your SEO. And that's just one of the incredible tools, many incredible tools that is available with Sintra. So that's all there is to it. Again, if you want to gain access to Sintra yourself, check out the description, the link in the description. Click on that. You'd be helping out the channel. We'd certainly appreciate it. And of the various AI tools that are out there, I do believe that Sintra is one of the most helpful, practical tools that you can take advantage of if you are starting a business, if you're running a business, and you just want to take things to the next level and you want to know how AI can do that. Well, Sintra is doing an amazing job with its platform, and I highly recommend it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.